We got a brand new accessory from EVMod. It's a trunk mat, and I'm indifferent on this one. I'm actually kind of confused on this one because I feel like when you buy a truck, you want it to have good plastic so that it can be tough. It can take any sort of beating when you throw stuff into the bed. But I also understand that sometimes you gotta buy things to protect that. And so EVMod came in clutch and sent us this truck mat so we can install it. And let me show you the fitment on it and give you my install and review on what it actually is. And of course, links to this trunk mat are down below in the description, so definitely check it out if you're interested. So this product is a little bit interesting because I feel like a trunk bed should just be durable, but some people have said some feedback that a mat for the back would be cool because the plastic is a little bit weak and gets scratched and damaged easily. So this is a mat from EVMod, a trunk mat for the Cybertruck. Let's install it and see what it actually looks like. And this is the massive box it came in. So it seems like a pretty standard mat. I don't know which side is which here. It seems like it's the same size all the way through, but let's see, let's try and put it through here. Okay, so it seems like it's this side because the back here kind of angles out, and we've got a latch right here for the trunk under storage area. Not bad. Actually, I don't mind it. Protects it a little bit. I kind of wish I had this from the get-go.
A few moments later.